So I'm going to be showing how the number 521 is a prime number by using the trial division method, which means that you list numbers to see if they go into another number evenly. And I'm just going to start my list with the number 2 because the number 1 goes into every number and it's just going to give you the same number that you started with. So we're going to see if the number 2 goes into the number 521 evenly. It does not. It gives us a decimal. And decimal means that we have a remainder of something. So we couldn't have pairs out of the number 521 because we will have something left over. So we're going to continue the list with the number 3 and see if that goes in evenly. It does not. It gives us a decimal also. So I'm going to continue my list with the number 4 next. And actually, we're going to skip the number 4 because the number 4 is a multiple of 2, which means if 2 didn't work, then any multiple of 2 wouldn't work either. And all prime numbers build composite numbers. Prime numbers are numbers that's just divisible by 1 in itself, and composite numbers are numbers that's divisible by 1 in itself and some other numbers. For example, 1 and 4 is divisible by 1 and 4 and 2 and 2. That's why we're going to skip this number because 2 didn't work and 4 is a multiple of 2. So I'm just going to write a note here saying that 4 is a multiple of 2. So now we know that we can skip any other composite numbers because the prime numbers make composite numbers. So we're going to go to the number 5. It gives us a decimal also. So we know that number wouldn't work. We're going to continue the list. 6 is a multiple of 2, so we're going to skip that number. 7 is the next prime number on the list. It gives us a decimal, so we know that one wouldn't work. So we're going to continue the list. 8 is a composite number, 9 is a composite number, 10 is a composite number, 11 is the next prime number on the list. It gives us a decimal, so that one couldn't work. 12 is another composite number, is divisible by 2. 13 is the next prime number, and it gives us a decimal. So that one couldn't work. 14 is another composite number. 15 also. 16 is a composite number also because it's divisible by 2. And 17 is the next prime number on the list. It gives us a decimal. And here's my list. I'm just going to continue writing. 18 is a composite number. 19 is the next prime number. It gives us a decimal. 20 is a composite. 21, 22 is composite. The next prime number is 23. And it gives us a decimal also. And actually we can stop after the number 23 because the quotient is less than the divisor, which makes the number prime. So 521 is prime because the quotient is less than the divisor.